Hey everybody, I'm back with some Google Sheet basics, and here I have some data of some cereal types. And what I want to do is show you these items over here. So the first thing I want to do is show you the freeze command. So I want to keep these names up on the top, so I'm going to click on the top row, go to View, Freeze, and just that one row. Now that's going to keep that right up top for me. Next, we will go to the sort feature. And so this is really slick. If I want to sort by any of these, name, protein, calories, whatever category, I can click here, click on that little arrow, and I can now sort from low to big. So this goes alphabetical A to Z, but also numerical. It will go from smallest to largest. And it keeps, see, it switched the order around there. I can do it over here too. So see how it's keeping the names all the way across, and so this name connects those rows are all keeping together. We'll go back here and sort alphabetically just to bring it back to where I was. Next is the calculate feature. This one's really important. Suppose I want to calculate something over here, such as let's see, carbs to protein ratio, because I'm trying to watch how many carbs I put into my body, but I want a lot of protein. So I want the denominator there to be as big as possible, and I want the numerator, carbs, to be as small as possible. So carbs divided by protein. So to make an equation, I go to this, I label it there, and I go below. I'm going to hit equals. To make an equation, you always use the equals. And I'm just going to calculate carbs. So I click on the cell underneath carb divided by protein. I'll hit enter. And it calculates the carb to protein ratio for one serving of 100% bran as that right there. And I can go to the next one, hit equals carb divided by protein. Okay, so that next one is a little bit better. That was tedious. I have a lot of data to go through, 77 or 78 pieces of cereal. What you can do here is once you get it in once, watch this. I typed in this equation once. I can go to this bottom right-hand corner. It gives me this little plus symbol. And I can scroll it down. Check it out. Now it's always going to go to, see how it goes to cell G4 divided by C4? It takes this row and it calculates it for us. Wow, look at this one. Almond Delight. I guess that makes sense. Almonds have very low carbohydrates. Carbs divided by, oh wait, oh no. Geez, almonds should have low carbs, but why does that have so many carbs? Sorry, yeah, we're looking for a lower number, not a bigger number. I misspoke a little bit earlier about that. So this first one's pretty good because it has only 5 carbs and 4 protein. So I can just take this and scroll it all the way. There we go. I get my carb to protein ratio. Then if I want to find the best carb to protein ratios, I sort, and whoa, -2 or -0.2. What's going on here? This is negative carbs. It takes carbs out of your system. Look at that, sugars. It takes sugars out of your system. There's something wrong with the data there. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I am going to delete the Quaker oatmeal because that data there's something goofy with it. Can't have negative nutritional facts. Okay, so here we go. What's 100% bran? Whoa, the first one right there was the best carb to protein ratio. Let's see what the worst ones are. Rice Chex, that makes sense. Tons of carbs, almost no protein. Look, all the best ones are down here. Frosted Flakes, Trix, Fruity Pebbles. Yeah. I love all of these on the bottom. Okay, so there we go. That's how we calculate items. Next, graphing. So what should I make a graph of? I'll make a graph of that carb to protein ratio. Why not? Highlight that column, hit Insert Charts. There we go. We see them all. I want a histogram though. Go down here, pick my histogram. It's giving me my different bins. There we go. Change my labels a little bit because this is frequency. Here we have carb to protein ratio down here. So I'd have to rename that, but that's how we get our graphs made. And fill in graph, calculate. Okay, so some other items. As I showed in the last one, we could calculate the average. Oh, we have to actually type in average. Average carb to protein ratio is that. We can type in mode. Mode of that column is this. You can calculate percentiles. And so suppose we want the 30th percentile of this column. I haven't did that backwards in a few days since I've done the percentile. That column, comma, 0.3. There we go. So the 30th percentile is 4 2/3. I want to find the median, 0.5, or we have to click on that first. Comma 0.5. That would be the median, or I could just type in median. There's the median number. Okay. Let's see. What else do we want to calculate? We could do the range. We could do sums. It doesn't want to give us range. So sorry, I'll not do that one. There's the sum of sum column. Yeah, and we could label all of these over here. So that's how we calculate items in Google Sheets. And we sort items. So once again, to sort, click on that, and it resorts it all there for you. Okay. Notice we lost our calculations. That's okay. Because we changed the order of where those things were. So hopefully we would have recorded those elsewhere. All right, that's it for now. Bye.